Oh, you guys, this right here is the shit. I'm sitting on my patio. The sun hasn't even come up yet, and the birds are just waking up, and they just are so... Oh. Let's just listen to them for a minute. Isn't that just medicine? Oh my God, I just can't get enough. I'm up extra early because I couldn't sleep last night. I woke up around 12:53 a.m. and I could not get back to sleep. So finally, 2 o'clock-ish, I think I went upstairs and journaled all the shit that's on my mind. It's funny to think now because my morning's so amazing, but the thought that finally got me out of bed and sick of my shit was, this is hell. Funny how we create our own hell, just like we create our own heaven. My hell was my mind and all the million things that it wanted to preoccupy me with. The negative things that aren't important. The worrying that doesn't do me any good. And then here I am a few hours later thinking this is heaven. Mindset shifts. And getting it out, like journaling when you have some yucky feelings, when you have some shit feelings, just get it out of your body, get it out of your mind. Writing it down most of the time is enough to just move the emotion, and you catch yourself going, oh, that ain't true. It's a pattern interrupt. If we let the mind keep going with it, it will. The hell I was creating for myself was just superficial. Shortly after I journaled, I came downstairs because Elsie woke up. She's been teething, so she hasn't been sleeping much. Or she hasn't been sleeping through the night like she had been. And even in the dark, she's so happy to see me, and that felt so good. My little nugget. And I thought about how much Emma and Chase love her. Yesterday morning, they came downstairs. Where's Elsie? Where's Elsie? And as soon as we hear her wake up, they run in to get her, and they're all, so excited and meet her with like the best kind of energy. And they just love her so much. And she loves them so much, and I love all of them so much. And what hell is there? There is no hell. Only the one you choose to live. It's a choice. That's what designing the life you love is all about. Be intentional with it. Just like my design business, when I go into a remodel job or a new construction job, we sit down and we talk about what is working and what isn't working. How can it work better? How can we use the space better to live a life that feels more aligned? It's the same thing with designing the life you love and using the blueprint planner. It's a way to reverse engineer your life. What things would make me feel so good today, this week, this month, this year? And how can I do more of those things every day? How can I chunk down my big juicy goals into weekly chunks, daily chunks, more digestible, one step at a time kind of chunks? Go slow to go fast. My affirmation this week is go slow to go fast, one step at a time. It's so easy to fall into overwhelm when we look at the big picture of whatever it is we want to design or accomplish. When you chunk it down, it's not so bad. It's not so overwhelming. Half the time, there's not nearly as much to do as we think there is. Those actionable steps are what provides the quantum leaps that collapse time. Clarity comes from action. So I hope this message finds you and reminds you how to design a life you love, reverse engineering it, doing the things that light you up, doing the things that bring you peace. Treat yourself like you would your best friend. Give her all the time, all the juicy things that she loves to do every day. Take her on a date. Make her coffee in the morning and let her listen to the birds. Meditate, journal, go for a walk, be in nature, laugh. Belly laughs with best friends. If you want an accountability partner, I just decided to make some changes to the blueprint planner. You can now download it for a much lower price, and that'll come with a video on how to use it. And then there's an upgrade where you can get a physical copy, a month's membership into the meditation membership, 2 live Zoom calls where you can bring your questions, bring your struggles, bring your edges that you're up against, and we can coach through them. Okay, I love you guys.